we'll gently start to bring our awareness to our breathing. Gently, gently. Try not to change anything at the moment, just observing. You breathing into your belly, your chest, just the small, subtle movements that you can notice in the body from your inhales and your exhales. And let's move on to our controlled breathing practice with the visualization. We'll be starting our inhales at the base of the spine. So if you visualize in the mind's eye, tip of the coccyx. And as you inhale, observe the breath flow up the spine along all its curves into the head, moving around, swishing, swirling, cleaning it out. And then with a big exhale or a sigh, or you can use a ha sound. Let it go. So inhales are from the base of the spine. Into the head, swirling around. Sigh it out. And that's it, you've got it, keep it going. Face relaxed. Brow soft, jaw soft. Shoulders, lower back. Stay with the breath and the visualization. A few more minutes here. Stay with your breath. Stay with the visualization. Allowing the exhales to release and let go of things that maybe just aren't feeling so good for us right now. Few more rounds here. When you finish your last breath, just take in any kind of breath that feels natural and normal. Just maybe a big inhale and exhale. Maybe a little bit of a sigh. Letting go of the controlled breathing and taking a wee moment here to check in again. How are you feeling? Hey, do you need some sunshine? Yes. Do you need a wee bit of space, like mental, physical space from your day to day? Yes. Do you need some TLC? Yes, absolutely. Please sign me up. Where am I going? You are coming to the south of Spain, beautiful Costa del Luz, for a weekend yoga and mindfulness retreat with me. You are number one. Look after yourself. Disconnect, concentrate on yourself, and then return home feeling refreshed, vitalized, happy, and ready to kick ass. Like, how good does that sound? How good is that gonna be? Visualize it, feel it, check out wherever it is the button, click on the link, and go and have a wee nosy at my retreat. I will see you soon. Take care of yourself today.